Welcome back everyone. I am going to show you how I make my plantain chips. So I'm going to go ahead and wash the plantains off. Always remember to wash your fruits and vegetables before you consume them. Like, comment and subscribe. I will now go ahead and cut the plantain to remove it from the peel. So I'm going to cut the top first, then I cut the bottom of the plantain, and then I'm going to cut it straight down like this, and I'm going to cut it again like this, and I'm going to use the side of my thumb to remove the skin from the plantain. Like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share! Carla's Kitchen CC. Here are the plantains nicely peeled, and you'll definitely need a potato peeler when making your plantain chips. I'll go ahead now and I'll show you how to slice it, and this is how you would normally slice the plantains when you're going to make plantain chips. And please make sure that your slices are very thin, like this. Yes, just like that. You don't need them to be too thick. This size is perfect. Now I'm gonna put them on my plate, and this is how it should be looking. And I'm going to be doing 3 different shapes of cutting the plantain. So this is how I'm going to be cutting this plantain, and I'm going to be using the knife to cut it first, and then I'm going to use the potato peeler to cut it into the shape that I want it to be. So here we go. This is how I do it, guys. And of course, yes, we're still doing thin slices. All right, just like this. This is how you want it to look. Here is it, guys. This is the shape I'm looking for, so I'm going to put them on this plate. Now I'll cut the last plantain, and I'm going to be cutting this one into like little squares. Just like this. All finished. Look at it, guys. See? And they are very thin. This bowl, I'm going to add a half cup of water, and to the half cup of water I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt in here, and I'm preparing this for the plantain chips. Now I'm going to add my oil. Once oil is heated, add the plantains and start frying. And you're going to toss them around a little bit in the oil so they don't stick together too much. So it's like you're playing around with them. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. These are finished, so I'm going to remove them from the oil. And it doesn't take long to fry because they are very thin. So within 1 to 2 minutes, they are good. They are ready. So here you have it. And this is the first batch. So I'm removing the rest from the pot. Look at my plantain chips. So I'm adding the second batch to the oil. And growing up as a little girl, I used to enjoy making these plantain chips for me and my siblings. I love making them. They taste so great. Thank you so much again, guys, for your support. And if you're still here and you reached this far in this video with me, please remember to give this video the thumbs up, share the video out, tell a friend to tell a friend, and comment underneath the video. And please try these plantain chips for yourself and come back and tell me how they came out for you. These plantain chips are very yummy, and if you have kids, your kids will definitely enjoy them. So make them, guys. Thank you so much again for your support. Look at them, guys. So yummy. Yum, yum. Look at these homemade plantain chips. Here are the plantain chips, guys. Nicely done. Yummy. Oh my. My kids, they are gonna have fun. Guys, thank you so much again. And if you're new here, please remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you will be alerted on my next upload. Thank you so much. Let's test them now. Let's test them out. Look, guys, look at this. Wow, so crunchy. Look at it. So crunchy and yummy. Very, very nice plantain chips, guys. Yes, give it the thumbs up. They are good. Look at this one. Look at it. Look at that. How better could this get? Look at that, guys. Oh my. I can't wait to dig in. Tastes good. Look at what we have here. Wow. Yummy plantain chips. Now I will sprinkle some salt lightly on the plantains, and you can use this method or you can use the water method where you add the salt to the water, and while you're frying the plantain chips you sprinkle the water over the plantain chips lightly. Thank you so much again, guys, for your support. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you again in another video. Bye, guys.